Hi there, this is Tim Verdouw with another review today. Today I'm reviewing DFY Profitz. I'm going to show you exactly what this product is all about. Going to give you a live demo and show you how things are working within this application. But before I do so, I want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to stay updated, of course, with my latest reviews. Now, what is DFY Profitz? Basically, in a nutshell, you're going to get 30 templates that you can use to promote products. And these templates are opt-in pages, which you can redirect to your offers. And not only that, you're also going to get other templates where you can create websites. And actually, it comes with a website builder also. And literally within minutes, you can create your own website, opt-in page, or whatever you want. That's the first part of this application that comes with your pages in here. Then the second part of this product is done for you giveaways, where you can create viral giveaways. And I'm going to show you in the demo also how that works. And with these giveaways, you can draw a lot of eyeballs to your offers, to your website, actually anywhere you would like to drive attention to. So let's just start with the page and let me show you how it works. So it starts with these two pages. You already get these pages. When I click on view, you will see your home page. And basically this is your home page right now, but you can modify this whole home page. You can change it to whatever you like. But the power is in the new pages that you're going to create. So when you click on new page, you can give this a name. So let's say this is my product A page. You can edit this with the Profitz builder. So when I click on this button, it will open a new page builder for me. And this is my website, Get Paid with Tim. And you can see in the domain name also, it's called Get Paid. You create your domain yourself. And when you click on this button here, you're going to get a bunch of templates that you can choose from. There are also pro templates. So probably these pro templates are the upsells. These are normal websites, but these are the more interesting parts, because these templates, these are 30 templates of existing products that you can promote. So let's say you want to promote Traffic X Pro. You can simply click on insert. You can say yes. And what it's going to do, it's going to insert that specific page on your website. As you can see, this is an opt-in page where people can opt in, and then you can redirect them directly to the offers. When I click here, you can change here at the left side. You got a menu where you can go through. So you can select the actions that people have to go through. So they will be redirected and they will be added to an opt-in list. So here you can specify also the redirect link where you want to redirect people to. You can specify to which list you want to add people to when they opt in. So let's say here you redirect them to your product. Then once people sign in, they will be redirected and you can make sales. So this is the most easy part. Now, what you also can do is, first of all, you can choose from these 30 templates. What you also can do is you can redirect them to a thank you page. And once you've done that, you can redirect them to a viral campaign that you create on your thank you page. And that is done with the done for you giveaways. So when I go to the giveaways, I can add a new giveaway. And let's say I'm going to give them a free product A. And then here I can say use this template. And now I can create a viral giveaway campaign. So insert your prize image. When I click on here, I can give this a name, and I can also upload my image. Now I already uploaded something, I think. No, I cannot see it. So let me upload it again. That was in another area. So you can choose a file from your computer. You can choose your product image that you're going to give away. And then you can say choose image and done editing. And as you can see, I'm going to give away this product. Now, of course, I want to get eyeballs to my website, to my products, to my Facebook page, etc. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to save this. And then when you go to the left menu here, you got some extra options. So you got your actions, and here it becomes interesting. So here you can select all these actions, and these actions will be added to your viral campaign. So for example, I can say visit us on Facebook. When I click that, it's being added here to this campaign. And I can say, I can choose how many points people will get when they visit my Facebook page. So I can say when they visit my Facebook page, they get 2 points. And then I need to specify my Facebook page in here. So let's say this facebook.com. Let's say that's the first one. Then you go back to your actions in here. I can say I also want to visit my page. They need to visit my website. So I can say here https timverdouw.com. But you could redirect them to a very hot offer here also. Visit this page, for example. And you can change that also. Visit this offer, special offer, like this. And you could do even more. Let's say when they do this, they're going to get 5 points. This is a very good one to get points with. And then you can also say, okay, when they submit an image, or maybe when they answer a question in here. So I can say, what's the question? Well, how old are you? Very stupid question, but just to give you an idea what is possible within this viral campaign. I can say I want to make it mandatory, or I want to allow daily entries. You can change that in here. You can say I want to give this 2 points, for example. And I can say save. And then I can say, okay, I want to publish this post. And then I'm going to publish. First, before I do that, I want to select my date. So I go back in here and can change my date. And let's say this has already been activated on yesterday. I'm going to save this. And there are some more settings in here also. So you can also change the design in here from what you're seeing here on the right side, change the background colors, etc. Not going to show that all. It's just for your information. So here are the giveaway rules, the email verification, success tracking, social logins, a lot of options with this viral builder. Now let's say I'm going to save this, I'm going to publish this, and then here when I click here, I'm going to get a short code. So let's take this short code, let's copy this short code, and now let's go back to my page builder, because now I'm going to create a new page, a viral page where people can win their contest. So let's say giveaway contest. Now what I can do is I can create a new page with this. So I can say in here, I can choose one of the templates again. So let's say I want to use one of these pages, or I want to use one of these templates. Well, not the opt-in page because it's a thank you page. Or I can use also one of these blocks, for example. These are nice blocks. Let's say I want to use this one. Simply add this to your page, and then you can change everything in here. So you can say something like, thank you for opting in. Thank you for subscribing. And then, oh, this is not good. Subscribing. Ah, come on. Am I doing this right? Well, win your free copy below. Something like this. It's just, you get the idea. So in here, you can click on a plus button. You can say, okay, I want to add a 1 column, 2 columns, etc. So this is also how you build websites with this page builder. You can simply select a column. You can do whatever you want. When you click on this plus button, you can add all different kind of things. So you can say, I want to add a video, for example, in here. And then you can drag and drop a video in here, and you can change everything. So you can change the background, etc., blah, blah, blah. You get the ID. Not going to do that right now because I'm going to show you, when I click this plus, I'm going to show you how to add this shortcode. So I'm going to type shortcode, going to drag and drop that in here. And now I'm going to paste my shortcode in here. Now look what happens. Right now, they enter my thank you page and win your free copy below. So let's say we're going to publish this page and we're going to have a look. So now I'm opening this page. They're being redirected from the thank you page, or from the opt-in page that we created at the start, and says, thank you for subscribing, win your free copy below. Now, when they want to win, and I go over here and I click on it, it says start earning entries, please log in above. So they first need to fill out their email address. So you could use this as a standalone or on your thank you page. So let's say I'm going to call this test@test.com. And once they filled out their email address, they can start earning points by doing these actions. So let's say I want to visit this special offer because that's giving me 5 points. It's giving me a button, visit this page. It's opening my specific offer. So you could redirect this to a specific offer. And look what happens now. I earned 5 points. Hey, I want to earn more points. I'm going to answer a question. How old are you? I'm 42. Submit this question. And look, I now got 7 points. And I can do this again tomorrow. And there's 15 days left on this competition. And when I visit Facebook, I get another prize, etc. Well, you get the point, right? And this is able with this product. So you go back to the menu here, exit to dashboard. Now, you're probably going to ask, okay, how am I going to drive traffic to my done for you profits pages? Well, there's also training on the inside here where you first of all get the training how to use this product, how to set up your autoresponder, how to set up your landing pages, how to set up free contest traffic, how to get a Warrior Plus and JVZoo account. These are affiliate networks where you can make money with. And also buyer traffic methods. So Mosh Bari is going to show you how you can get buyer traffic by using different traffic methods, and mainly Facebook. And these methods are working. I've made tens and thousands of dollars from Facebook from these methods that Mosh is showing you in here. And with this traffic training and the explanation how everything works is how you're going to get started with DFY Profitz. And like I said, it's very easy. You can create pages. I can create a new pages. Simply click on add new, say my website. So you can create a complete different website also. Let's say I'm going to take one of these templates, going to click on this template in here, and I'm going to click one of these pages. I can simply click one of these pages. If I like this, I insert this to my page, and I've got a done for you website in literally a few clicks. As you can see here, it has created this website, and I can change everything. I can also add new blocks in here. I can say I want to have 2 columns, for example, and in these columns, I'm going to show one image in this one. I'm also going to get in this blog, I'm going to add an image, or I'm going to do a text editor where I'm going to add text. You can just modify these pages real quickly. You can publish these pages and they're done, and you can visit them. And that's basically what this product is all about. There comes a done for you autoresponder where you can connect your Aweber, Active Campaign, Campaign Monitor, ConvertKit, GetResponse, or MailChimp account. So when people opt in, they will opt in to your list immediately. You can create viral giveaways, and that's basically what you can do with DFY Profitz. Now, I also got some great bonuses for you. If you decide to purchase this product, there's a link below this video that you can visit that will redirect you to this product, also to my bonuses that I'm going to give away. So make sure you check that link below this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And again, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to stay updated with my latest reviews. Yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the link below this video. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.